Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well. My name is Mr. Badr Abdul Jabbar, and our lesson today is a chemistry lesson, okay, which is about nomenclature of organic compounds and specifically alkanes. Okay. First of all, I will explain the lesson in English, then I will explain it in Arabic. مرحبا بجميع الطلاب. سوف أشرح الدرس أولا باللغة الإنجليزية ثم سوف أشرحه باللغة العربية. ولكل الطلاب الذين يريدون أن يحجزوا دروس أكثر أرجو التواصل معي من خلال صفحة الفيسبوك Mr. Badr A. Abdul Jabbar. For booking more lessons, please contact me through the Facebook page. The name of it is Mr. Badr A. Abdul Jabbar. Okay, so let's start our lesson. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now, what's the meaning of nomenclature of organic compounds? First, what's the meaning of nomenclature? Nomenclature, it means the how to name, okay? How to name, the way of naming. Oh, so you can say naming, okay? Naming of organic compounds. Okay, what are organic compounds? Organic compounds are compounds that are mainly composed of carbon atoms. Again, organic compounds are compounds that are mainly composed of carbon atoms. Okay, so you will have carbon atoms. Okay, so how to name compounds that are mainly composed of carbon? Now, the first family that we are going to take is called the alkanes family. Okay, alkanes family. Now, these compounds are all from the family of hydrocarbons. Okay, now, what's the meaning of hydrocarbons? From the name, look, hydrocarbons, it means compounds that are consisted from hydrogen atoms and carbon atoms. Okay, so that's why we call it hydrocarbons compounds. Okay, or from the family of hydrocarbons. This means they are compounds that are composed from carbon and hydrogen, mainly carbon, mainly it is carbon, okay, and with hydrogen. So we have no other elements. Now, the alkanes, okay. Now, what is the general formula of this family? Okay, it is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, this is the general formula of this family. Now, how this will help me? For example, if you have compound that is made from, let's say, 3 carbons, how can I know how many hydrogens? Look, instead of n, we put 3. We have 3 carbons. So here also you put 3. So it will be H2 multiply 3 plus 2. So it will be C3H2 multiply 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So C3H8. Okay? Now, how do I draw this? Okay? Now remember, this family I will have single bonds only. Okay, I have single covalent bonds only. So it will be like this. Look, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. Okay, each carbon it bonds 4 bonds. Okay, so this carbon it is bonded with another carbon, so only one bond. So it needs to continue with, or it needs to bond with 3 other hydrogens atoms. So it will be like this. Okay, this carbon, it has bonded with 2 bonds, so it needs 2 more. Each carbon, it's 4. Look. You see? So this is called propane. Okay, this is called propane. So, remember, how to name this family? Okay, you need to memorize from a compound that is consisted of 1 carbon till a compound that is consisted of 10 carbons. Okay, now, if you want more lessons in details how to name them from 1 carbon to 10 carbon, then please, I would really appreciate if you can book lessons with me. Okay? Now, the lesson in Arabic. تسمية المركبات العضوية. المركبات العضوية ما هي؟ المركبات التي تتكون بشكل رئيسي من ذرات الكربون. من ذرات الكربون، وهذه كلها من عائلة الهيدروكربونز. يعني المركب كله يتكون من كربون وهيدروجين. عنصر الكربون وعنصر الهيدروجين، ذرات كربون وذرات هيدروجين. طيب، أول عائلة الألكينز، بالعربي اسمها الألكانات. الألكانات. طيب، المعادلة الرئيسية لهذه العائلة هي CnH2n+2. CnH 2 ضرب N زائد 2. طيب، كيف أعرف عدد الهيدروجينات؟ نفترض المركب عنده 3 كربونات. بعوض 3 مكان الN، يصير 2 ضرب 3 6 زائد 2 8. إذا هذا المركب يتكون من 3 ذرات كربون و8 ذرات هيدروجين. عندما نرسمه طبعا يوجد عندي روابط أحادية فقط. الكربون يستطيع أن يكون روابط أحادية ثنائية وروابط ثلاثية. عفوا. اوكي. إذا نرسم ذرات الكربون مع بعضها البعض روابط أحادية، ثم نكمل بالهيدروجينات. كل كربون لازم 4 روابط. شوف، هاي الكربونة 1 2 3 4. هاي الكربونة 1 2 3 4. هاي الكربونة 1 2 3 4. كيف نسميه؟ بروبين. تمام؟ طبعا لدراسة الدرس بشكل تفصيلي ومعرفة كيف تسمية هذه العائلة من مركب الذي يحتوي على كربونة واحدة إلى مركب يحتوي على 10 كربونات، أرجو حجز الدروس معي، وسوف أكون أكثر من سعيد لتعليمكم هذه الدروس. شكرا جزيلا. هذه نهاية الدرس. Thank you. This is the end of our lesson.